Namaste everyone. Dev Uthni Ekadasi, also known as a Prabodhini Ekadasi, is one of the most important Ekadasi of this year. It marks that awakening of Lord Vishnu after 4 months of rest during Chaturmas. From this scared day, divine energy began to rise again, bringing new beginning, prosperity, and spiritual strength. According to our scripture, from Dev Uthi Ekadasi onwards, all auspicious work that were paused during Chaturmas can begin now, like wedding, engagement, housewarming, or any new spiritual journey. It's believed that when Vishnu awakens, good karma and divine grace start flowing again. Now, this time there is confusion that whether it should be on 1st November or a 2nd November. Let's clear that also. In India, it's on November 2nd because in India, 1st November Ekadasi start at 9:11 a.m. and continue until the morning of 2nd November. That's why in India, Ekadasi fast will be observed on 2nd November. And also, as per tradition, when Ekadasi connect with the Dwadasi Tithi, it's more auspicious for fasting and worship. In the US, Ekadasi Tithi begins on 31st at 10:41 p.m. and ends on November 1st at 9:01 p.m. So, those who are living in US will observe Ekadasi Vrat on November 1st. Now let's understand what we can do on this day. So, first, start your day very early. Clean yourself first, then clean your home. Light ghee lamp in your temple and then take a dhoop with the kampur and go in your house each and every corner. If possible, you can chant Lord Vishnu's name, and if not, you can also play that in your speaker to fill your space with positive vibration. Perform Tulsi Puja on this day are very good. Offer red thread called moli, chunri, kumkum and light a ghee lamp near Tulsi ji. While you can do Tulsi Parikrama, chant Lord Vishnu name. You can do Tulsi Parikrama for 108 times if possible. Keep fast or eat only sattvic to purify your mind and body. Avoid rice on this day. You should offer Lord Vishnu a yellow flower, yellow fruit and yellow clothes. And also, please offer Tulsi leaf to Lord Vishnu on this day. Don't forget this part. But one thing that you need to remember that you should not pluck Tulsi ji on November 1st. So you need to pluck it on October 31st before evening, and then you can give that on, if you are in US, you can give on 1st. If you are in India, you can give it on 2nd while you are offering other prasad to Lord Vishnu. You can also donate yellow fruits, pulses or clothes to priest or someone in need. That act invite Lord Vishnu's grace in the form of abundance and peace. You can donate any small amount, that doesn't matter. Dev Uthni Ekadasi reminds us that divine energy never truly disappears. It simply rests, waiting for the right time to rise again. When you awaken devotion within yourself, the universe mirrors that light back to you. May Lord Vishnu bless your path with peace, prosperity and divine protection. If you find this helpful, share it with others so they can also observe and take benefit. Bye, stay blessed.